everyone, we're going to discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of media. Powerful tools which entails positive and negative impacts.
First one is media educate people on health matters. Environmental conversation and other through various forms. We have different types of media platforms that will be able to help us gather the information. Second one is people gets the latest words, news, in the very short time regardless of distance.
Third, people can bring out their hidden talent in the multimedia and visual acting, commedia, acting, and dance and singing. So because of media, there are some people who discovered their hidden talent because of the media platform. For example, the social media. Fourth, media increases the knowledge from the quiz programs, the educational shows, and their information giving programs. Media also increase our knowledge in a sense that we can be able to learn in some programs. For example, educational shows. The fifth one is people feel more convenient accessing information through their mobile phones. For example, people most likely to access information through their mobile phones, and they are more comfortable bringing their and they feel convenient at it because knowing that they can have their phones to access information around the globe. The next one is they become a vehicle in promoting a product towards increases sale. So, instead of visiting your client's home, you can post on online or some media platforms. That will make it easier and less time-consuming.
Duplication allows electronic duplication of information that reduce massification costing. Media lead to diffusion of diverse culture and cultural practices. They help people around the world understand each other and respect differences.
Now let's move to the disadvantage of media. A newspaper is geographically selective. Second, some media are not suitable for children. The internet can be a possible way for scams, fraud, and hacking. Media can be addictive that may result in people's decreased productivity. They can cause health hazards such as radiation effect or eyesight, hearing defect, etc.
They may induce drugs and alcohol use.
They can lead to personal injury by imitating stunt showcased in media. They can ruin reputation through an anonymous account, malicious scandal, false accusation, and rumors.
So that is the advantages and disadvantages of media.
Thanks for watching.
지가방 안에 굳은 다짐이 the backpacker 우리는 backpackers yeah we the backpacker 내가 묻은 신발이 바래져도 backpacker 우리는 backpackers 출발은 언제나 겁없이 시작부터 맨발 내 눈에 싹 다 basic 보다와의 step pipe 더럽혀진 내 black tie 프로젝트만 necktie keep backer 우리는 backpackers 출발은 언제나 겁없이 시작부터 맨발 내 눈에 싹 다 basic 안 돼 있는 stupid I'm ready